Hey there, homeowner! Tired of battling dust bunnies and sneezing fits? I get it, keeping a home dust-free can feel like an uphill battle. But guess what? I've got 10 super easy hacks to help you win the war on dust. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these awesome tips. Alright, let's get started. Place doormats both outside and inside all entrances. This simple step catches dirt and dust before it gets tracked throughout your home. Encourage everyone to wipe their feet thoroughly. Implement a no-shoes policy inside your home. It's amazing how much dust and dirt this can prevent from being brought in. Keep a shoe rack or storage area near the entrance for convenience. Microfiber cloths are like magical dust magnets. Unlike feather dusters that just spread dust around, these cloths trap dust particles effectively. Make vacuuming a part of your regular cleaning routine. And hey, make sure your vacuum has a HEPA filter. These filters trap smaller dust particles, making your home cleaner. Air purifiers with HEPA filters can work wonders in reducing airborne dust and allergens. Place them in high-traffic areas or rooms where you spend the most time. Don't forget to replace the filters in your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system every 3 months. Clean filters trap dust before it circulates through your home. Wash your sheets, pillowcases, and blankets weekly to keep dust mites at bay. Use hot water for a thorough clean. The fewer items you have, the fewer surfaces there are for dust to settle on. Keep your home organized and decluttered to minimize dust accumulation. Inspect your home for gaps, cracks, and leaks around windows, doors, and walls. Sealing them prevents dust from sneaking into your home from the outside. Heavy curtains are dust magnets. Consider using blinds or lightweight, washable curtains that are easier to clean. And here are a few bonus tips. Use a damp cloth to wipe down surfaces like countertops, shelves, and tables to prevent dust buildup. If you have pets, brush and bathe them regularly to reduce shedding and pet dander. On windy days, keep your windows closed to prevent dust from blowing in. So there you have it. 10 simple hacks to keep your home dust-free and a few bonus tips for good measure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home hacks. Thanks for watching.